Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Skyrider X11 Stratosphere drone and you need to change the batteries in the remote control. Now maybe you know you need to change the batteries in the remote control, or maybe you're here because the remote control is not working. It doesn't seem to be communicating with the drone and you're trying to fix it. A good first troubleshooting step is just to swap out the batteries in the remote control with fresh batteries. It's really easy to do. We just need 3 AA batteries. If you don't have those batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them at a good price with free shipping. But anyways, all we're going to do is come in with a small screwdriver and remove this little screw that holds the battery cover on and pull the battery cover off. And then if the old batteries are in there, we're going to pull them out. If not, we're just going to put the new batteries in. Keeping in mind, we're going to go on the top, it's going to be positive to the left. The middle is going to be negative to the left, flat side to the left. And at the bottom, it's going to be positive, or the side with the point, to the left. Once we do that, you can go ahead and put the cover back on, put the screw back on, and see if that doesn't fix your issue, or maybe you just needed to replace the batteries. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.